Hey everybody, this is Caesar. Welcome to another episode of Small Engine Velocity. Today we have a Ruckus part install video today. There are some parts. I guess you guys saw that I got that new exhaust from JST4SHW Ruckus. And a little while later I also ordered the lowered headlight bracket. It wasn't a ton of money and it wasn't super expensive, and I was curious as to see how it worked. So just like the frame spacers, I went ahead and bought it so that we can test it to see if it's any good or what it looks like, or whatever that case may be with this new part. Now there are some people who know that what I have, and looked up some pictures and have given me varying varying opinions as to it's awesome or it sucks in more colorful terms. So keep in mind, this is just like the frame stretch. I don't need it, but I wanted to show people what's out there and things they can do for the Ruckus. So here is what we have. It is just for show frame bracket for the headlights, for the stock headlight assembly, and then some obviously hardware that comes along with it. So it's supposed to lower your headlights, and at first I was like, okay, so if this reads this way, then that means it must somehow go on this way. Well, when I first got it, all I thought it was a bracket that you put your headlights on, that you lower it down. And that would have been all fine and dandy, but come to find out, what it really is that it connects to the front of the frame right here on your triple tree, and then extends it out. So, okay, let's explain this a little bit better. It goes on the triple tree on the 4 bolts that hold this bracket right here. Then you take the screws out of here, right here on the side, and you take this part right here and connect it to here. Now, as far as the wiring for your bulbs, it will probably have to come out the bottom of the battery box, which is perfectly fine with me, and mount it here. Now the only problem I have is, will it work with my Grom front fender mod? Anyways, let's go ahead and start taking stuff apart and see how well this works. Okay, well, I think I got it almost complete. I'm gonna go ahead and zip it up, and let's take our first look at what a lowered headlight bracket looks like for the stock headlights by JST4SHW. Just for show. For show. For show. Anyways, here we go. Da-da-da-da, here it is. The headlight bracket that turns with your bike. So, a little bit of trouble with these cables. I had to run it through the inside. I still have this bracket to remove, and I don't know how. The tolerance on this, you had to actually pull it in, pull it out. I mean, I'm sorry, when you tighten it to pull it out, I guess it gives it tension. I do like the JDM Password dress up, and they use a nylon nut in here, so that's good. So it's less likely to fall off. I had to relocate my horn, and then made me realize that I need to buy a new battery box because it's all broken up and scratched everywhere, and get some dress up for this. And then since I have the LED bulbs, I have these two things here. So I electrical taped them together and put them in the center. And you can't really notice it unless you're actually really looking. Probably need to find a way to kind of get these down here a little bit better. But all in all, I like it. It looks pretty good. It's something that I'll have to get used to, because now my bike looks like a bird of some sort rather than a bike that like it used to be. But I do like the fact that it turns with this. I don't know if you saw that when I was doing the sample ride earlier, but yeah. So I gotta get that bracket off. That's kind of cool. So what do you think? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, leave me a comment below. I'd really like to know. Again, this is from JST4SHW Ruckus. They make Ruckus parts and sell Ruckus parts. Remember I did that exhaust? This is the same company that made that exhaust. Just so you know, also for those people who like that exhaust but have GY6s, they're making one for a GY6 that should be arriving soon. But yeah, anyways, not expensive, a cool mod. If you wanted that turnable headlight type thing, like a Tucker car, but didn't want to put an LED bar, this is a great alternative for that. It's just a bracket, some nuts and stuff that it comes with for hardware, and everything looks wonderful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I really would like some input on this. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on or if I'm going to take it off. I need some thumbs up, or I need some comments below as to how you like it. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you everybody in the next video.